Hello children, in this video we are going to study about final accounts of a sole trader. Final accounts of a sole trader. You all know about sole trader, that he is the only person who looks after his entire business and he takes all the decisions, and he is the one who enjoys all profit and suffers loss. Now suppose if you are a sole trader, definitely by the end of every year you would like to know about your profit or loss, whatever you have done in the entire whole accounting period. So sole traders just make their final accounts at the end of every year in order to know that whether the company has earned profit or loss. Fine. For such reasons, we prepare the final accounts. Final accounts, basically, it is prepared to know about the profit or loss by sole trader. Now, when final account is prepared, three types of accounts are prepared. First is trading account. Second, you can see it is written profit and loss account. And third is balance sheet. Why trading account is made? These three stepwise accounts are made. First of all, in first step we make trading account, and in trading account we used to get the gross profit or gross loss. Either there will be profit or there will be loss. So both any of these two is just earned by the sole trader. So trading account is just prepared to know whether gross profit is earned or gross loss. Once you get to know that it is profit or it is loss, you prepare profit and loss account. Why profit and loss account is prepared? It is prepared just to know the net profit or net loss. Fine. So this gross profit, unless and until you will not find the gross profit or gross loss, you won't be able to find out net profit or net loss. So that's why first step is to prepare trading account. Second step is to prepare profit and loss account. Clear? Now the third step, after making these two accounts, we prepare balance sheet. Why balance sheet is made? In order to see the company's assets are equal to liabilities or not. Just to check this, balance sheet is made. And when you get net profit, that you add in the capital of the balance sheet. And first of all, you find out gross profit, then you find out net profit by making profit and loss account. And when you get the net profit or net loss, any of these two, if you get profit, you add to capital of balance sheet, and if you get loss, you deduct from the capital of balance sheet. So this much you have to understand, that unless and until you will not make trading account, you can't make profit and loss account. If you will not be able to make profit and loss account, you can't make balance sheet. These three steps you have to follow. At first step, you make trading account to know gross profit or gross loss. In second step, you make profit and loss account to know net profit or net loss. And at last, you make balance sheet in order to know assets and liabilities are equal or not. In liabilities, capital is posted, and that capital, in that capital, the net profit of profit and loss account, if you get net profit, that is added to the capital of liability or balance sheet, and if you get net loss, that you deduct from the capital of liabilities in balance sheet. Fine. So this way we make the final accounts of a sole trader. Now you just watch the second video. In second video, I have explained you how to make the trading account. Then in third video, I will be explaining you how to make the profit and loss account. And in the fourth video, I'll explain you how to make balance sheet. By watching all the videos sequentially, you will be able to understand how to make final accounts of a sole trader easily. Okay. So must watch second video for knowing how to make trading account.